Hey, well, back tuning into today's video. We're going to do the weekend forecast. Today, having a detailed look at the weather for the next 7 days across the country. It's going to be a very cool week coming up. Temperatures are going to be well below where they should be. It's going to be feeling autumnal at times, particularly in the north, but even in the south I think you're going to see temperatures at least 2 or 3 degrees below where they should be at this time of year. So a proper sort of early autumnal feel to the weather coming up. There'll also be showers around at times. Many of the showers will be in the north and the east, but at times we will bring some wet weather even through to the south. Now, before I get on with the weekend broadcast, just to mention the ads. There's video ads on my pages at GazWeatherVids.com. You can hit play on video ad. You'll be supporting GazWeatherVids.com. Thanks so much for doing that. So, starting off with the radar picture at the website, theweatheroutlook.com. You can find a link to Weather Outlook on my links page. Most places are dry at the moment, but we have got a little bit of showery rain across western Scotland coming down in towards Ireland. That will get heavier through the course this afternoon up in the northwest as quite an active cold front begins to push in. Here's today's Arctic pressure chart. We've got an area of low pressure to the north of Scotland, unusually deep at times of year, again at 990 millibars. That's going to wind itself up into quite a storm actually across the north and the northeast of Scotland through the course of tonight and tomorrow. But for today, we're going to bring that cold front down into the northwest of Scotland. We'll bring some cloud and showery rain into the north and west. Eventually, that could get through in towards Northern Ireland as well. Frequent of Wales, probably a lot of dry weather. Had a good deal of sunshine this morning, but I think it will turn more cloudier through Wales and Midlands, Northern England this afternoon. The best of the sunshine will be reserved down to the far south and southwest. Temperatures today could peak at around 21 in the far south, about 70 Fahrenheit. It's a little bit warmer than it has been for the last few days, but up in the north it's going to be very cool with temperatures for Scotland just 15 degrees at best. Overnight, that low pressure is really winding itself up to the east coast of Scotland. Very tight packed ice bars wrapped around it, so we're going to be finding gales spreading in across Scotland, even down into parts of Northern Ireland as well. There'll be a cold front moving south, taking the rain from Scotland and Northern Ireland through Northern England in towards the rest of England and Wales through the second half of the night. The cold front will be weakening as it comes south and southeast, but it's the dividing line really between, cool-ish air down in the south and very cool autumnal air following behind into the north. Showers will follow that cold front as well into Scotland and Northern Ireland. They will be heavy and blustery, maybe merging into longer spells of rain across the far north of Scotland later in the night. Temperatures actually holding up with all this wind around. We're not going to be seeing temperature going too low, probably somewhere between around, say, 9 and 14 Celsius. 14 Celsius is 57 Fahrenheit. As we move through into Sunday, the low pressure is in the North Sea, the high pressure is out in the Atlantic, and we're bringing down this strong and very chilly north to northwesterly wind. The cold front will be clearing the south through the morning, taking a band of cloud and showers through southern and southeastern parts of England. Many it's really a case of sunshine and showers through the course of Sunday. Many of the showers will be up in the north and northwest, being fed in on these winds. Some will get through to the south and the southeast though, but here we do get the best of the dry and bright weather. Temperatures will be at their best down in the far south and southeast, maybe still reaching 19 or 20. That's below where we should be, even in the south, but it's going to be around the mid to upper 60s Fahrenheit. But really from the Midlands northwards through Northern England, Northern Ireland and Scotland, temperatures will be very disappointing tomorrow, just say 12 to 17 degrees. That's more like the sort of temperatures we would have on the 17th of September rather than the 17th of August. It will feel autumnal, especially in that wind up in the north, which could again be gusting up to gale force for parts of Scotland. As we move through into Monday, no great change really. The low pressure is across Norway, the high pressure is out in the Atlantic. We're still feeding down this northerly flow across the country. The winds are a little bit lighter, the ice bars aren't quite as tightly packed, but even so it'll still be breezy, it'll still be fairly gusty winds, especially around the showers. And it's really a sunshine and showers day for Monday. Some of the showers will be heavy with a risk of hail and thunder. They'll even get through into the south at times and maybe merge into longer spells of rain in the south south where we've got the lightest of the winds. Temperatures could get up to around 18 or 19 in the best of sunshine, but if you get unlucky and you have prolonged showers, then the temperatures will be very, very depressed, barely getting above about 14 or 15 degrees, I'm afraid. We may have to actually look back at some past years, see when the last time was we had such a cool spell as this, because I think it is going to be quite notable how cool it is next week. So we may have to check back through the records and see when the last time was it got as cool as it's going to be next week, through around the 3rd week of August. Going through to Tuesday, we may drop a bit of a trough down across the country. What that could do is sort of merge the showers into longer spells of rain. So there'll be sunshine and showers around on Tuesday, but I expect a longer spell of rain to push down from the north at some point through the course of the day as well. Temperatures really will be shockingly disappointing, between around 11 and 16 at best. 16 just 61 Fahrenheit. Down along the south coast you get the best of it. That's where the warmest weather will be. The place to go if you're going on holiday will be down to the southwest, down in towards Cornwall and Devon. There you could see temperatures gradually lifting themselves up to around 17 or 18 or maybe 19 degrees. That's still well below where we should be, but it won't feel too bad. Shelter from the wind, in the sunshine, down on the south coast. That's going to be the place to be, but most places really are going to have a pretty cool time of it next week. Going through to Wednesday, I think we're looking again at very shallow sort of troughs here across the country. So we've lost the wind. It will feel a little bit better on Wednesday, but there'll still be showers around. Sunshine and showers basically sums it up. Risk of hail and thunder. The showers will be slow moving as well because we've lost that wind to blow everything through. So you can expect some prolonged downpours. The plus side though is that it won't feel as cool, and temperatures will be a little bit up outside of the showers. We could get back to say 20 in the south, that's 68 Fahrenheit, but of course in the showers the temperatures will be dropping like a brick, so quite big temperature variation perhaps around the middle of the week. Going through to Thursday, this could be the best day of the week actually. A little nose of high pressure coming in ahead of this next little trough that's forming over Scotland. So for Thursday there will be a notably cold start I think on Thursday morning. We could even be talking, believe it or not, about ground frost for parts of Scotland. But otherwise I think a lot of fine weather on Thursday. Still a few showers scattered about, but the best chance of staying dry in most parts of the country on Thursday. Winds are light and in the sunshine. Temperatures could struggle up to around 21. That's 70 Fahrenheit in the south, and it's probably about where we should be on the 21st of August. So we could struggle back to normal down in the south, but it's a one-day only offering for Thursday, because on Friday we drop another trough down across the country, so that brings another band of cloud and showery rain through the country during the course of Friday. So that could be quite heavy actually up in the north, and as a result temperatures will be lower, feeling autumnal again under that rain, with maximums of just 14 or 15 degrees. In the south again, ahead of the rain, we may struggle up to around 19 or 20. And as we go through into the bank holiday weekend, well, in signs of improvements for the start of the weekend, with this nose of high pressure coming in, we'll lose the risk of showers. We'll start to settle things down through Sunday and Monday. Temperatures will lift up, possibly getting up to around 21 or 22. Watch out for bank holiday Monday, because we could bring another area of low pressure in off the Atlantic this time. That will bring milder air in from the west, so temperatures will be going back towards where they should be, but the downside is it will bring cloud and outbreaks of rain through across many parts of the country potentially by bank holiday Monday. This is chopping and changing though from run to run, so I'll keep you posted on what's going on. Finally, having a look at the charts from the weather outlook. There's the cold front coming into the northwest through the course of today. Otherwise, a lot of dry weather, rather a lot of cloud, but there will be some sunny spells coming through. That cold front drops south and eastwards across the country through the course of tonight, so that Sunday will be a windy day with showers particularly up in the north, but all places could be at risk of showers on Sunday. I mean, it's very showery through into Monday and on into Tuesday as well. Tuesday may bring longer spells of rain across the country. Temperatures are going to be very, very autumnal and cool for the time of year. Very poor temperatures. Going through to the middle of the week, we'll lose the wind. That's the good news, but we'll still have showers around through midweek. Thursday could be the driest day of the week, although this is still suggesting a lot of showers up in the north and the west in particular. And then on Friday, I think we could drop another trough down across the country, maybe merging the showers into longer spells. rain. Temperatures remaining cool throughout. The best of the temperatures will be in the far south. If you're going on holiday, head to the south coast and around Devon and Cornwall. You'll get the best of it. Even there, temperatures are going to be below where they should be, and there will be showers coming through. But the rest of the country going to be a very cool week. And in summary, I'm afraid we are looking at a notably cool week coming up this week. Temperatures below average both by day and by night. Could be some notably cold nights midweek with risk of ground frost, believe it or not, for parts of Scotland. And there will be showers around through the course of the week. Most of them will be in the north. Some will come through to the south at times, particularly perhaps Monday, Tuesday, and again on Friday, when we may drop troughs down across the country and throw showers into longer spells of rain. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.